My mother hates me. I'm 19 years old and a constant reminder to her that she's not 32 anymore. Her whole life is the theater. And she knows I hate the theater. Not pure theater, I don't hate that. I hate her kind of theater. It's so fake. People marching around, pretending like they're in some living room. I mean, all they do is talk. They're pathetic and boring and old, and they have nothing to say. I mean, who cares really? The world is falling apart, or worse, the planet is dying. And these people go to the theater just to be entertained by people who are just like them. Or worse, even more clueless than they are. And because the producers are so concerned about not offending anyone while they're paying their $100 fucking dollars, there's nothing controversial or worthwhile going on. Unless, of course, it's from England. Then, of course, like good colonialists, we bow down to their British accents. Anything in British accents makes Americans feel inferior. Especially in theater. And we say it's great, even when it's just pretentious crap or little dramas with tiny little morals posing as great art. Or those fucking cheerful musicals. Oh my god! I don't know. We have to have a new kind of theater, that's all. Something vibrant and young and dangerous and alive. Or you know what? Just have nothing at all. Why do we have to have theater? I mean, I love my mom, but she leads such a stupid life. She dedicates every waking hour to something that just does not matter. And you can imagine how utterly revolting it feels to be me. Here I am at all her parties, with all these celebrities and people who have all won prizes for something or other. It's just ridiculous. Pulitzers and Nobels and book awards, Oscars, Tonys, all that crap. And here I am, I have nothing to show for myself. Half the time I don't even understand what they're talking about. And they're just wondering how Maria could have spawned such a pathetic little loser.